Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the weather hazard briefing for Sunday, March 12th, 2023. After a dry day yesterday, we're looking to get into some more moisture today and all the way through Wednesday. So we're going to enter another fairly wet pattern for the next couple of days. For the most part, today is going to be very light. Generally, snow levels are going to increase to about 6,000 feet by Monday. So the event's going to be mainly rain in the Magic Valley Snake River Plain. May start out as a little bit of snow tonight into Monday morning or some mix, but eventually convert to rain. The main threat for heavy snow is going to be in the central mountains, with the likely heaviest period of snow going to be from Monday night through Tuesday night out there. With high snow levels, generally 6,000 feet or so, the heaviest snowfall will likely be very high elevations above 8,000 feet. Looking at the satellite loop, you can see cloud cover moving east from this low off the California coast, pushing through southern Oregon, northern Nevada, and into southern Idaho. We are seeing increasing clouds. So again, this is going to see this continuing through the day. The infrared imagery also showing clouds streaking into southern and generally southwest into southeast Idaho. And again, we're going to see these clouds increase through the day. The weather risk outlook, again, not much impact today. All the precipitation is going to be very light. Generally, the rain and snow mix in the Snake Plain Magic Valley will likely be overnight. And again, most of the light snow will be later in the day and overnight as well. Again, not expecting much in the way of accumulations. And on Monday, may see some minor impacts. Again, this is going to be mainly later in the day and especially overnight. Some moderate impacts in the Sawtooth area. And then by Tuesday, again, I think the Sawtooth region could see some major impacts, mainly high elevation, very heavy snow. And again, some moderate impacts Tuesday, again, Eastern Highlands as well. So again, it looks like Monday night through Tuesday night is going to be the period of the heaviest precipitation. Again, mainly rain event, Snake Plain, Magic Valley, with some wind. Could see some windy conditions across the board on Tuesday. Some lingering precipitation, rain, may change to snow at the end of the event in the lower elevations, and some minor impacts continuing, and we should be drying out by Thursday. And just looking at some of the national forecast maps, again, high pressure over eastern Idaho today. Most of this precipitation is going to be late day and overnight, and you can see some mixed precipitation. Again, this will be mainly in the lower elevations. By Monday, high pressure moving east, a frontal system moving onshore off the Pacific Ocean. And again, snow and rain across the whole area. And then Tuesday showing the heavy snow possible over the central mountain, Sawtooth, Sun Valley high elevations, and also into Wyoming, maybe sneaking towards Island Park. So again, it looks like Tuesday is going to be the big day weather-wise, and the cold front will push through as well. So again, we'll turn colder after some mild conditions Tuesday. By Wednesday and Thursday, cooler conditions. High temperatures today remaining well below normal. Again, 30s to lower 40s pretty much across the whole region. Again, this is approximately 10 to 15 degrees below normal. Low temperatures Monday morning will be moderated with the expected cloud cover. Generally upper 20s to lower 30s in the Snake River Plain, some teens and 20s in the mountains. Then we're going to see the warmer conditions Monday. Many low elevations well into the 40s, Burley, Twin Falls edging close to 50, and even the mountain areas generally in the 30s, most areas above freezing. So again, we're going to start to see mostly high elevation snows Tuesday, even warmer all of the Snake Plain, Magic Valley well into the 40s, even some lower 50s. So again, we're going to start to see a bit warmer conditions. Snowfall amounts today, again, very light, mainly under an inch. Bear River Range may see a couple inches. And then we get into Monday, into Tuesday. Starting to see some heavier amounts, again, mainly the central mountains, high elevations, some 6 to 12 inch amounts, but generally lower elevations, 2 to 4 inches, Sun Valley into Island Park. Again, mainly rain up the Snake River Plain, so not expecting any accumulations. And then a heavy snow period Tuesday into Wednesday. Again, see some very heavy amounts, 1 to 2 feet, higher elevations of the sawtooths. And again, start to see some maybe dropping snow levels late Tuesday night into Wednesday as the front moves through. So there is a potential for some heavier snow in the Sun Valley region. Again, mainly rain up the Snake River Plain, no snow expected. But again, focusing on the central mountains for the heavy snowfall. And again, with the frontal system ahead of and behind the front Tuesday wind gusts, see widespread 30 to 40 miles per hour across much of the region. So we're going to see some wind with this event as well. Rainfall amounts, generally a few tenths up to a half inch towards Rexburg, Ashton. So again, could produce some decent rain amounts, and again, the heaviest amounts Central Mountains, Sun Valley, Sawtooth region with this southerly flow type event. Overall impacts, this is day 3, and you can see most of the moderate impacts, again, where we're focusing, where most of the snow will be, Sawtooth, Sun Valley region. Some minor to moderate impacts, not much elsewhere. Maybe in this Island Park Centennial Mountain area, you could see some minor impacts as well. So again, heaviest snow expected to be very high elevations. And this is the initial some percent snow amount chances today through 6 p.m. Monday. And you can see there is a pretty high percentage of 2 inches, Sun Valley region towards Island Park, but heavy snow, generally under 10%. So again, the initial precipitation impact is expected to be light today through most of tomorrow. And a quick look at the extended forecast, 1 to 2 weeks, getting into the latter part of March, after the spring solstice even. And again, the trend, much better chances of below normal temperatures over the interior Rocky Mountains, and also better chances of above normal precipitation. So even as we enter spring, it looks like the cold, wet conditions are going to continue throughout, even headed towards the latter part of March. So summarizing, more precipitation, generally late Sunday through Wednesday. Snow level should increase to around 6,000 feet by Monday, so a rain event, very low elevations. And I expect the main threat for heavy snow is going to be in the Central Mountains, with the likely heaviest period of snow Monday night through Tuesday night, with the heaviest amounts above 8,000 feet, where you could see above a foot, with the extreme moisture starting to move in, sort of an atmospheric river type event. So that's all I have for today. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed below 24 hours a day, or visit our website, also listed. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day today.